Getting frustrated with outdated kitchen cabinets? Looking at expensive replacement costs or alternatives for paint and you're really not sure where to go or what the quality is going to be like? Check out architectural vinyl films. We can transform a place like this in a matter of days. Architectural vinyl films are a multi-surface solution. Whether you're dealing with bad paint, old countertops, outdated cabinets, check out this project. In just 1 week, 2 guys were able to complete this entire installation. Contact us for your free estimate where we can make your vision a reality.